three main reasons why our youth does not intend to vote. And the most cited is party performance. This is 73% of our youth. They say poor government performance.
Sifiphele izithombe esivezwa umkhandlo ohubhulula ngezesayensi ngesibalo sabantu abatsha abathi angekhe bavote ngombana bathitshelekile ngepolitiki.
These people want the money that they never worked for, including liquidating the African National Congress.
ANC ayazani nesikwelete sekhampani iEzulwini Investment ekhabe yayiwamangalela ekhotho ngomsebenzi batsho eyabenzela wona ngo-2019.
In various directions, lovely little touch on, and the shot is into the net!
Siqalela imidlalo ye-DStv Premiership edlalwa ngaphasi kwamalerhe namhlanje. Siyalotshisa emakhaya ngamakhaya nanzi indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 akwani. Isilinganiso sabavoti abangakaneliseki ngedemokhrasi yeSouth Africa siku-57%. Lokho kuvezwe lihubhululo elenziwe ikomishini yezamakhetho nabe ibambe umbuthano lapha beyikhulumisana khona nembikindaba ngemphumela yemhlobo enziweko le ukuzwa amazizo nembono yabavoti ngaphambi kwamakhetho. Lokho njengomana kuza amakhetho umnyaka ozayo.
Ihubhululo elisendlalelo sokubana engakhana abantu bazokuvota namkhanjani ngo-2024 alikarisina kancane njengomana abantu abaningi baveze ukungakaneliseki. Kuvele bona okwanje ay-57% amaSouth Africa aveze ukungakaneliseki ngedemokhrasi kanti bayi-28% bayaneliseka.
So on this particular indicator, in terms of understanding the pre-electoral mood, we're finding that this is the most negative position in terms of overall democratic evaluations we've seen ahead of an election to date.
I-Human Sciences Research Council ingezelele ngokuthi isibalo sabantu abatsha esele bangasanathemba kwezepolitiki kurhulumende obusako siphezulu esifundeni seGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal. Izinga lokungathenjwa karhulumende esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal liku-83% kanti esifundeni seGauteng liku-80%.
There's three main reasons why our youth does not intend to vote. And the most cited is party performance. This is 73% of our youth.
Gananyana bonkhethana bazijamele bazongelela amakhetho umnyaka ozako nekhonakalo yokubusa kokuhlanganyela kwenhlangano zepolitiki. Ihlolombono le iveza bona kusese nekhonakalo yokubana amaSouth Africa angavoti.
There are two silver linings here. The first is that there is a persistent belief in the importance of voting amongst many youth in our country.
Ilanga lokuvota lizokumenyezelwa ngomnyaka ozako.
I-ANC ithi ayikweledi ikhampani yaKwaZulu-Natal iEzulwini Investment. Lokho kunjengobana ikhampani le ithe i-ANC ikweleda imali engaphezulu kwekhulu leengidi zamaranda ngomsebenzi wokuyigadangisela amabhena ekhethweni lango-2019. Batsho ilinde kwababa amehlo. Ikhampani le imangalele i-ANC yalithumba icala ekhotho ephakemeko yeGauteng nekhotho yezokudluliswa kwamacala. I-ANC beyibekelwe isikhathi ukufikela ngemva kwamadina namhlanje ukuthi iyokubhadela nakungasinjalo ithathelwa amagadango.
Comrade Fikile Mbalula, over to you.
Nabeka khuluma nembikindaba unobhala zombelelo we-ANC uFikile Mbalula uthi bona akhange babe nobudlelwano nekampani Ezulwini Investment. Mbalula uthi njengombana ikampani lesiyithethe indaba le yayidlulisele ekhotho ephakemeko kunye nekhotho yokuzibilayeza nabo boyidlulisele ekhotho yezomthethosisekelo. Mbalula uthi i-ANC inayo imali kodwa ayinayo imali yokubhadela Ezulwini Investment. Begodi ubakhombe ngomuna abasebenzi be-ANC abafuna ukuzenzela igama nge-ANC.
They can take those chances to liquidate the ANC. We'll fight it legally and otherwise. Any possibility of liquidating the ANC. So these people want the money that they never worked for, including liquidating the African National Congress.
Mbalula uthi ANC yalithabela iphenyo lenziwako lokuphenya imbhanki ezikulu ngokukhwabaniswa kweranda. Zimbhanka ezingaphezulu kwama-20 ezisolwa ngokukhwabanisa iranda phakathi komnyaka 2007 ukufikela ngo-2013 kufaka hlangana iStandard Bank, iABSA, iFirstRand, Investec kunye neNedbank.
We assert that the directors and executives of these banks should face prosecution in their individual capacities, being held personally responsible for the detriment they have inflicted upon our economy.
Mbalula uvale inkulumo yakhe ngokusola bomakekere be-ANC bona kebalisa ukuhlukanisa i-ANC ngenkulumo zabo.
We call upon the veterans of the ANC to stop decampaigning the organization and work through the structures of the organization.
Uthi umnyanya omkhulu we-ANC ugidinga iminyaka elikhulu neminyaka emihlanu uyokubanjelwa esifundeni seMpumalanga eMbombela Stadium mhlana amalanga ali-13 kuTjhirhweni.
EFF ibange ivungamo eParliament njengombana beyisolo isikima kaningi malungana nemibuzo yokungalandelwa kwekambiso yeParliament. Inhlangano eziningi zepolitiki zamukele umbiko wekomiti echeje ukuziphatha kwamalunga weParliament ofumene iEFF imlando ngokwephula umthetho wekomiti echeje ukuziphatha kwamalunga weParliament. Abe 264 amavotu amukele umbiko lo bese aphikisana nawo aba-30.
Ikambiso yeParliament ithoma ukuraga ngesimbi ye-10 ekuseni kodwa umnqopho wekambiso yanamhlanje uliyekile. Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki zithi lezi zenzo zamalunga we-EFF eParliament zifakazela lokho akhakutsha amalunga la.
Any member of Parliament has a right to attend the SONA and to hold the President to account, but it is not the special right of only one party. The disruption of SONA impedes and interferes with the rights of all other members who enjoy that right.
In our society, criminal elements are roaming around streets, causing disarray and furthering lawlessness. And every day we publicly criticize the police's inability to bring these criminals to justice.
This is too little, too late. We've heard in this debate how many times disruptions took place in sittings.
The EFF's annual charade has passed its sell-by date. Their theatrics are predictable as they try and land a new hit following their one-hit wonder Pay Back the Money. Their playbook of points of order has become tedious.
We believe that a strong message must be sent and that such conduct will not be tolerated.
Amalunga we-EFF asithandathu ekubalwa kiwo nomholi uJulius Malema bafunyenwe bamlando malungana nesehlakalo esenzeke ekuthomeni komnyaka lo nakwethula inkulumo yobunjalo belizwe. Amalunga weParliament la asolwa ngokuphazamisa ikambiso yeParliament nokunyaza amandla kaSpeaker.
The so-called contempt of Parliament was nothing but a peaceful protest. We are for peaceful protest because in all our activism we protect without engaging in violence.
Isigwebo sabo kube kuthi kufuza umuntu ngamunye abawukulitshalelwa kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa noSpeaker uNosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula nebantwini beSouth Africa. Amalunga amathandathu eParliament la ayokujanyiswa neParliament inyanga yonke ngomhlolanja ngaphandle kokubhadelwa. Ihlangano le seyilithile lokuthi ayikazokuncancabeza.
Ungqongqotshe wezokuthutha uSindisiwe Jikunga uhlathululele iParliament bona iinkampani zamagqwetha bona zibadlelezele njani abantu abathindeka engozini zendlela ngesikhwama iRoad Accident Fund. uJikunga ungezelele ngokuthi umthetho kufuze ukhibelelwe kobanyana kuzokubaba abantu abazuzako ingasi amagqwetha. iRoad Accident Fund ivele phambi kweskopa malungana nombango yawo neofisi yomhloli incwadi zombelele ngemva ukuthi iRAF ijugulule umgomo wayo.
Amanye amalungu eScopa avakalise ukuxhalaba yimeko ekuyiyo kwaRAF nokusoloko esezinkundleni. Kukwakho nezikhalazo ngabo bangonelisekanga ngamabango. Ngelixa umninizabelo evuma ukuba banemingeni uthi umthetho ukwicala lamagqwetha xa kuthelekiswa nabo bafaka amabango.
RAF paid a claimant through the lawyer 5.6 million rand. The lawyers, a white company, lawyers with a name, paid the claimant 57,000 rand. They didn't pay the claimant at least the 600,000.
Eli qumrhu licele ukuba linikwe de kube sekupheleni kukaJanuwari wonyaka ozayo lithathe isigqibo malunga netyala nomphicothi zincwadi.
The RAF is a social benefit fund that is instituted in terms of the RAF Act. And so currently those two standards actually, they don't result in a fair presentation of the state of affairs of this social benefit fund.
Iscopa silumkisile ngesi senzo.
This sets into motion a very dangerous slippery slope of a precedence of negotiated audit outcomes. We can't have that.
Ikomiti imgxekile uRaf isithi urhuqa inyawo ukusombulula lombandela. Yaleka ngelithi uyakuba liqumrhu lokuqala ukubizwa kunyaka ozayo azokunika ingcombolo ngenkqubela phambili. Ndingululama Amatya weendaba ze-SABC eParliament eKapa.
Nasibuya entolo.
I'm still very much scared to practice or to help, but I know that it's not something that I can stop.
Inyanga ezibomma zithi batsho seziyasaba ukwelaphela indoda emsitheleni ngemva kokukatwa kwenye eKhimbali. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 na ku-SABC Plus. Indaba eziyatholakala na ku-Facebook na ku-YouTube. Nawusanda ukufika siyakwamukela na. Amalunga we-SACP nekhosathu eMpumalanga bekachakala ngaphandle kwemakhiwo kahulumende weMpumalanga eMbombela ukutshengisa isekelo labo ngomthethomlingwa we-insurance yezempilo elizweneli.
Batshengisa isekelo lomthethomlingwa we-insurance yezempilo elizweneli. Lindeleke bona i-NCOP iqalisisa umthethomlingwa we-insurance yezempilo lo begodwa na ungaphasa zokudluliselwa kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa bona awutlikihle besemthethweni. Umthethomlingwa lo uhlosa ukusungulwa kwetshejo ngezempilo emntwini wonke weSouth Africa. Zonke izakhamuzi zelizweli zizokufumana itshejo kuyo yonke indawo ezifikela kiyo.
I-NHI izosisiza kakhulu. One, uma sihambile sema-ROPS asitholi lisido ngendaba ukuthi kusuke kugcwele, but abantu abane-medical bayakhona ukuthola lisido le, yet i-government yabanikeza i-subsidy, thina ngapha ayisinikeza i-subsidy.
Thina simphakathi wasemathafeni besicela ukuthi i-government wethu asekhele ikliniki emathafeni cause labanye bethu abasebenzi baya eRops noma ekhuthalani ngetinyawo.
Inhlangano ezibasebenzisani be-ANC ziyawusekela umthethomlingwa lo.
We're here today to show our support to the government that they must put this bill into the law. We support them fully.
They can expect a big fight from COSATU because you are actually saying if you don't want NHI to be implemented that the poor must go and die. Workers today, including those that have medical aid, they are just the same. You can't access quality healthcare in South Africa.
Zombili SACP nekhosathu zifuna bona umthethomlingwa lo uphasiswe bowutlikihlwe ube semthethweni khona kuzokuzuza wonke amaSouth Africa.
Ithomile emzimkhulu weZimbabwe eHarare imbizo yobulwele bentumbantonga. Imbizo lo inikela ababelani abavela enarhakazini yeAfrika zombelele ithuba lokubana babelane ngeentshijilo abaqalana nazo nendlela abasebenzisako ukulwisana nengogwana yentumbantonga. Imbizo le izokuphela ngomgqibelo.
Umnqopho wembizo le kuveza ituthuko esele ikhona ekulwisaneni nengogwana yentumbantonga enarhakazini yeAfrika. iZimbabwe kukulapha kubanjelwe khona imbizo lemi ihlangana namazwe amahlanu asebenza ngamandla ukulwisana nengogwana lemi.
There are 5 countries including Zimbabwe that have also already achieved those midterm targets of 2025. Botswana, Eswatini, Rwanda and Tanzania.
Kananyana kunetuthuko khona enarhakazini yeAfrika ekulwisana nengogwana lemi abendazana aboma nabantwana basathindeka ngonobangela wokuhlayela kwensiza zezempilo nemitshoga.
Because of lack of testing and treatment, a delayed diagnosis is a serious issue in the country. These children will die.
Umengameli weZimbabwe uEmerson Mnangagwa uzibophelele ekunikeleni ngensiza ze-HIV ezinganambandele ebantazaneni abasakhulako aboma basesebancane nabantwana babesana. Enarhakazi yeAfrika ineminyaka elwisana nengogwana lemi. Kukholakala bona yaqubuka eKinshasa ngabo-1970. kwathi nakuthoma iminyaka yabo 1980 yarhatsheka inarhazini lezombelele kanti isihlakalo sokuthoma somuntu otheleleke ngegogwana le eSouth Africa sabikwa ngo-1982 solo kwalokho inarhakazi ye-Afrika ifunana nesisombululo sokuyiqeda ingogwana le.
Abelaphi bendabuko babantu bengubo eTlhagwini Kapa bathi abasiyazizwa abaphephile nakufuze bangene ngendumbeni basebenze nabantu abaduna. Lokho kuza ngemva kokukatwa kwenyanga ekusola bona ikatwe momuntu ebekafuna isizo kiyo. Kusola bona umalo uye emzini wendoda le ayokubethela umuzi nakabe yazokukatwa.
Akukapheli nomnyaka inyanga yeminyaka ema-26 ubudala le ithome ukusebenza ngabantu. Ungazimbi lo uthi mhlaza kukatwa wakhamba yokuhlambulula umuzi womuntu omduna oweza ukuyafuna isizo. Uthi indoda le yamjikela yaba inanga yaziko nayizamkata.
Out of nowhere, boop, guy pushes me. I fall on the bed. He grabs me by my arms. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm trying to process everything that's happening because I'm like, I'm in shock. I came here to help someone spiritually, and this is happening.
Inyanga le ithi ukukata kwayo kuchugulula ikole lakhe. Ujamile kutheni kuzokuthatha isikhathi ngaphambi kokuthi athembe umuntu omduna ozokuhlola kuye.
I'm still very much scared to practice or to help, but I know that it's not something that I can stop. It's not something that I can resign from, saying, hey, I'm picking up my stuff, I'm leaving, because I have been called with and for a purpose at the end of the day.
Ezinye inyanga zeKimberley zithi ukuqinisa isigwebo simgila mkhuba ngikho ekuzokuthosa nalabo ebewasahlela ukubakata.
This is now an awareness to a lot of us female practitioners that you need now to be extra careful, especially coming to consultation.
Gore nyatsa generally re leading aka ya no ba re tshabisa gore ka mosho ta bona le mokudi le gore o go roma o tshwantse go consulta or o ye di house kolong o bo o tshaba because of we are no longer safe. Di patient bona rona re ba shebile ka di patient ka ba kudi kganti bone ba re shebile ka lithola gore motonto o nka mo ikadima ene.
Umsolo ubuchiwe kanti kulinde bona avele khotho kusasa. Abanye abalaphi bendabuko bathi banethemba lokubana uzokuhlala ejele unomphela.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngayo le ndaba yokukatwa kwenyanga engumma ekuthiwa beyuqinisa umuzi wendoda ethileko eTlhagwini Kapa. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Awuqini umthetho abantu beboshwe begwetshwe ababulala abanye abantu esekuphenduke insakavukela umcilo wesidwaba manje la eNingizimu Afrika. Umthetho kuyomele ngampela wenze umsebenzi wawo.
Benza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu eSouth Africa for ukuthi bangayekelwa nje bashawe ngaleyo ndlela babulawa. So nje kurungu kakhulu engakusho mina. Ugovernment akazama ukuthi abavikele baqashwe nabo ngoba bafana nabodokotela laba basentshonalanga.
Ize liphumile esandleni manje abantu bayazenzela ababulali bazenzela ukuthanda kwayo abantu abasena mahleko nabanamahlazo okwenza izinto bayazi ukuthi bazongena ejele bephuma imali. Isigwebo sentaba ngampela lokhu mongameli uRamaphosa akazama ukusibuyekeza.
Umuntu lo uthethe ithuba lokuthi babili kuphela ngendumbeni akekho okhona kodwana into lekuze iphephe akube nogobela munyeke eminyango aphake.
Lo muntu ulendele isihlakayo leso kwangathi angatholakala agwetshwe.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthesa umlando ngokuziphindelela ngombono umbukeli. Ngezemali iranda liqinile nalinganisana ezinye imali ezinkulu. Ngaphambi kokuthi isikhambe asihlole ihlelo zibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM sizwe ukuthi baphetheni sibuni iphethe ziphi ngapha.
Siyathokoza Cedric Lotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya namhlanje ngolosithathu lihlelo elikhethekileko kuphembetha isikhathi sama-holiday ka-Christmas sengisho nabantu bahlele amakhambo ngokuhlukana. Hlanganyela yenhlangano zamateksi lapha eSantago inejima elihlomako ijima elibizwa ngokuthi ihlokomela ijimeli kuthiwa ngalo qothelwe amakhambo amade namafitshane. Umlaleli naye somnikela ithuba lokuthi angabuza umbuzo abe nomfakela. Ngiyo-ke indaba esiyiphethe khulu-ke namhlanje, sithokoza kakhulu Cedric.
Oze Sibu. Mahlangu. Cedric. Namhlanje likhe lafathaza ekuseni.
Iya,
Nje sekuyachisa. Sithini zangoma zezulu?
likhona izulu ebusuku namhlanje emfundeni eziningi zakhona ngapha ngeSouth Africa kodwa kwanje asiyekile. Thokozile ebusuku namhlanje likhona izulu siyalibona ukuthi ngePumalanga enaga nakezinye indawo ezikhona ngabo Bloemfontein nakhona ngapha ngakwaZulu Natal sihlokomele khuluma mbala ngombana likhona 60% amathuba walo siliqale sihlokomele khuluma mbala kanti ke nakusasa lisazorakela phambili libe nenkungu kezinye indawo kodwa liwathele njalo kuBloemfontein nakezinye indawo ezikhona khona ngapha ngakwaZulu Natal sihlokomele khuluma mbala kanti ebusuku namhlanje siyabona ukuthi nokho ke imjijo le iduma kumbi khulu kwamambala na uvakatshela khona ngapha ngePitori ngapha ngeGauteng ngapho sihlokomele khuluma mbala kusasa ke siyabona ukuthi nokho ke imjijo le isazorakela phambili nokuduma njalo sihlokomele khulu nasikhona khona ngapha ngaboPitori kanti ke siyabona ukuthi konke namhlanje indaweni eziningi khona bomahikeng liyachisa ebusuku namhlanje sihlokomele khulu mambala nakhona ngapha ngeKapa ngapho ngePumalanga Kapa indizabe lichisa khulu endaweni eziningi kanti ke kusasa asiqale ke sibone ukuthi nokho kusasa lizakujama njani siyabona ukuthi nokho ke nawukhona ngapha ngePitori lijama lapho ku27 lihle khulu kwamambala kanti nawukhona ngapha kuBethlehem ngapho kuBokhimbali ngapho kuBloemfontein ngapho lizabe lichisa khulu kwamambala khamba lwathela kezinye indawo na uthi uvakatshela ngakulezi imfunda kanti ke uyabona ukuthi na ukhona ngapha ngakwaZulu Natal nokho likhona izulu kezinye indawo na ukhona ngapha ngabo Worcester ngapho lichisa khulu mambala lizakujama lapha ku35 na uvakatshela ngapho umndungwa ubungela kokosi uthi iye zesiNdebele.